Hey guys, so 2019 iPhone will be thinner. Find out in this video how. So, a new report out of Apple's supply chain suggests that the company plans to use a new screen technology from Samsung on at least one of its 2019 iPhone models. Apple, which typically tries to launch thinner and lighter phones each year, wants to switch to the new technology to make an ultra slim 2019 iPhone. It has reportedly chosen to use touch integrated flexible OLED panels by Samsung. Apple's current screens uses a separate touch sensitive layer on top of a display. So by integrating the touch aspect into the new OLED screens, Apple can make even thinner iPhone models. And according to ET News, Apple's new display tech called Y-Octa is made by Samsung Display, which was commissioned by Apple to do the development and manufacturing. It will supply the new touch integrated flexible OLED panels for the 2019 iPhone. And Samsung, which supposedly approached Apple with the idea in March, is currently the sole supplier of OLED panels for the iPhone X, iPhone XS, and the iPhone XS Max. Apple has been trying to partner with LG as a second supplier. Meanwhile, Samsung Display recently struck deals with different companies in order to create parts and materials for the new displays, which by the way should be ready for use in next year, though initial supplies will be limited. That leads us to believe that the new screen will only be featured in the high-end 2019 iPhone model. Even if the tech is expected to be more affordable than current screens, we suspect it will be eventually available for all iPhone models in the years to come. Okay guys, that is all for today. Subscribe to my channel, share this video, like this video, and turn on the bell notifications to get notified about my future videos. And also, if you have any questions regarding any topic shown in this video, you can ask me in the comment section below. I will show you how to answer it. But for now, let's call it a day.